Here we have a 1967 Le Mans, and it is the small block 326. It's been fully restored. There's about 7,800 miles on the restoration, and it's been kept in this nice shop here, and it's really a nice job. The motor here has an aftermarket street combo performer and aftermarket valve covers, but it is the correct numbers matching motor to the car, and it has just been built up a little bit. Nice distributor system on it, and making it more reliable, more powerful, a little bit more fun to drive. As you can see, the paint is pristine. It's got the proper PMD rally wheels, a nice pinstriping job there done in detail, and it's really in a remarkable condition here. You can hear the nice little low grumble. It's sitting here at a nice idle, and we'll give it a little thump so you can hear the smoothness and the power, the added power of the rebuild here. Very smooth, nice, very well done. Got battery cut off obviously because it's stored for a period of time. The reason they're selling is because they're selling the estate and moving. So this is a good opportunity to get one of these nice, beautiful, big beasts. For more information, contact Wild About Cars Garage. Thanks much.